Have you ever considered combining a diffuser's practicality with a tree ornament's whimsical charm? Well, get ready to craft this unique Smitten Mitten, which will bring festive cheer and enhancing scents into your living space. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth. I'm excited to show you how to make this Smitten Mitten Felt Diffuser. This adorable ornament is not just eye-catching, it's a fragrant delight that adds warmth and joy to your holiday season. In this tutorial, watch as we create this felt diffuser using our inclusive diffuser essential oil recipe box. With every addition, you will transform a single felt ornament into a magical diffuser, perfect for any festive setting. Our diffuser essential oil recipe box streamlines the crafting process, supplying everything needed to turn this charming mitten into a scent-infused holiday ornament. It's a simple and delightful way to fill your tree with the pleasant notes of Christmas spirit. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box. Woohoo! Introducing the Smitten Mitten Felt Diffuser. This darling ornament adds a cozy touch to your tree and gently disperses your favorite festive scents, creating an inviting atmosphere. This decorative diffuser will quickly become essential to your seasonal decor, enchanting every room with its delightful balancing act between visual charm and aromatic presence. So turn off your distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Smitten Mitten Felt Diffuser from Simply Earth. To make this recipe, all you need is the Mitten Felt Diffuser and 5 drops of pine essential oil blend. Hang your adorable Mitten Felt Diffuser on your Christmas tree, car mirror, near your desk, or anywhere you would like. All you need to do is add 5 drops of pine essential oil to the back of the diffuser for a fresh pine scent. Just refresh as needed. Let's test it out. It smells great. The Smitten Mitten Felt Diffuser has become a beloved staple in my holiday setup. Its cute design and ability to infuse the air with lovely fragrance makes it a festive favorite that's always admired. Don't miss the chance to craft this endearing and wonderful smelling ornament for your tree. Order your diffuser essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth and start creating your Smitten Mitten Felt Diffuser today. I'm eager to see your own Smitten Mitten creations. Share your festive ornaments on social media by tagging From Simply Earth and using hashtag #IMadeThis. Join our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge and you, yes you, could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Learn more in the description of this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural recipes like this one. Thank you for watching.